Europe's 2025 wildfire season has been the worst since records began in 2006. Portugal is among the hardest hit, with over 274,000 hectares burned by late August, placing second in the EU this year. These are not isolated events, but symptoms of climate change, rural depopulation, and fragmented land management, with cascading impacts on biodiversity, soils, water quality, public health, and rural economies.
This project builds upon an existing initiative called Mãos da Terra, in English, Hands in the Soil. It is a community-led initiative where we go to different lands that burned in the fires that devastated Portugal in August 2025, and we collaborate to heal and regenerate these lands. We follow the seasonal cycle to work in harmony with nature. In spring, we will lay down agroforestry lines following the principles of syntropic farming so that we tie regeneration of the soil with food resilience. In the summertime, we will focus on community resilience. We will choose an area around a village, and we will mitigate and diminish the fire risk by cleaning the fuel, the biomass around this area, by selecting the species that are most fire prone, and we will transform this fuel that is a risk into a soil amendment. In autumn, we will focus in rainwater harvesting structures, using the existing biomass, the pine trees mainly, to construct these barriers. One day of work of collectively building these structures can save 100 years of soil. One of the worst things that happens after fire is that the rains wash away all the soil. So these structures are fundamental to mitigate this erosion of the soil that takes so long to build. In the winter, we return to the roots and we will plant native forest species. We will also plant the understory species of bushes to complete a stratified forest that is resilient to fires and brings many ecosystem services for the wider community. We measure what matters and tell the story of change. Together we hope to inspire people and communities to adopt these regenerative practices and join this movement to heal the soils that really need our energy and time in this moment in history.